Fox Body fans. 1991 Ford Mustang LX convertible, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see by the side badging, 5-liter underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Original color car. This is an EP code, bright red. Also original miles. 58,000 approximately. We'll take a look at the odometer when we get around there. Check out the interior, start it up, let you hear this one run. This one is healthy and sounds good. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out all the still pictures, 100 plus pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Very original looking car from the exterior. Motor's been massaged a little bit, and I'll get into that here in just a touch. We'll go through some things. We'll look underneath the hood, but as you can see, not full of a bunch of rock chips, nicks, anything like that. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Confirms original miles. Riding on the pony wheels. Take a look up and down the side of this one. Also really free of any nicks, dings, scratches. It's a nice looking LX here. Interior, bucket seats of course up front. The red cloth and vinyl combination interior. There's that automatic transmission shipped on the console. So it's a factory AC car. The AC has been removed as well as the smog pump. So it does triple light because of the EGR, or the exhaust gas recirculation. Other than that, I mean, it runs fine. It does not affect the way the car runs. It obviously performs better. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, all of the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Top on this one, black vinyl. Top is in nice shape. We're going to run that up also. Let you check that out before we end this video. And it is also a power top. Take one look down this driver's side also. As you can see, paint, nice reflection coming off there. Car shows very well. Riding on Kelly Charger radials. Of course, the dual exhaust. Let's go ahead and fire this baby up, because this is the best part. This car sounds excellent. Power locks, power mirrors. You have cruise control on this one. Wipers work. Blower fan and everything still works on the HVAC system. It's just like I said, the AC and heat not completely there. All right. There's your exact miles too, 57,009. So right around 58. All right. See how easily it starts, how well it sounds. Turn the wipers off there. All right, check out the rest of this dash too. It's not sun-baked. This car, you can tell, stored indoors by the condition of the seats, the dash. Again, I mentioned that the exhaust gas recirculation is what's tripping that. It's not affecting the performance of the car at all. As you can tell. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this. We're also going to check out underneath that hood. We'll run this top up. Ooh, look at that. Good sounding 302. Rumble. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open, and let's check out that engine bay. I have the hood popped. One thing I want to mention about the interior too, stereo system works fine in there. AM, FM. It was AM, FM cassette. 91. Yes. And had the radio working. Speakers all work. All four of them. Alright, let's slip around here and see what do we see. Looks like new radiator. Been installed. You can also tell Looks like new water pump. Possibly injectors also. So you can tell that this engine's been gone through. Sounds good. Gonna have more power than it had from the factory, obviously, with that smog removed. Cold air intake there. Looks like possibly different throttle body also. Throttle body. Good strong runner. Pretty tidy engine bay also. Alright, let's one last time. I'm going to pause this. Let's run that top up. I'm going to shut it up, turn it off, get that top up for you to check out. See how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Got the hood button back up, car shut off, and top up for you. So let's take a look at this. First of all, see it fits nice and tight up above the windshield. Again, it is power. Power top works just fine. And as you can see, the vinyl's free of rips, tears, holes. Good condition. By the way, this is rear glass. Need to keep you dry, keep the sun off your back. Gonna work good for that. It will serve its purpose and is in nice shape, looks good. This car shows well. You see all the way around it here. There you go. You're looking for a healthy running Fox body. Sounds good, looks good. Top goes down. Here you go, 1991 Ford Mustang LX. Got the 5-liter 302 underneath the hood, paired up with that automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.